Hey everyone, it's Jamie here from Ecom Masterclass, and in this video I'll be going over 5 print-on-demand tips for your Shopify store to help get things right on your first print-on-demand go, or if you're an existing print-on-demand provider. These 5 tips cover a broad range of categories, so make sure you stay until the end of the video. Before I dive into it, I want to mention our sponsor Profit Calc, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for, and it's going to load detailed profit analytics, as well as many extra analytics here, making it super easy to understand how your Shopify store is performing, as well as how profitable it actually is. There's a link in the description to access a 15-day free trial, so make sure you check that out below. I'm also going to show a quick promo video.
Are you a Shopify business owner who spends hours doing your accounting? Have messy spreadsheets kept you from growing your business? Discover Profit Calc, the affordable and easy to set up Shopify app that crunches your numbers in just one click. It automatically syncs with all your accounts and expenses to calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy to read dashboard so you understand your business in real time. Start for free on the Shopify App Store today.
Let's dive into our first tip here, and that's going to be to have lifestyle images. Show your products in action. I know I really struggled this with my first print-on-demand store. I even ordered some shirts and took my own photos, but I ran out of it because I only had a few models, including myself. Most of my content was just mockups, which aren't great for marketing. Now you have tools such as Placeit, which make it really easy to create mockups for just almost anything you're looking for. They even have videos as well. So if we head over to here and go to mockups apparel, let's go to t-shirts as an example. You can see they have tons of different images that make it really easy for you to upload your own print-on-demand logos and designs. So they have some examples here. If you hover over them, you can see what it's going to look like. You can add different colors. You can do this all to match what your product and design are going to look like in real life. It's going to be great for marketing materials and great for showing up as product images on your Shopify store. They have thousands of mockups here. They have it for just about every category as well, making it super easy for you to create lifestyle images. The second tip for print-on-demand stores is going to be to limit the number of variants that you're selling. You don't want to overwhelm your consumers with 20, 30 variants of color for the same design. It can be really easy to do so, especially with POD stores, because you're not going to pay for any extra inventory. So you may be thinking to yourself, well, I might as well sell as many colors as possible. However, this is going to overwhelm customers. And if you look at research done by Amazon Merchandise, they suggest using darker colors as well, as those sell better. So typically around 5 variants is going to be your limit here for different colors. The third tip for POD stores is going to be avoiding legal issues. It's very easy to take popular characters and designs from around the internet, including fan art, and use them on your print-on-demand signs, except this can run you into copyright and trademark issues, as well as stealing other people's designs. This can lead to a huge headache and not only other legal issues, which could cost you quite a bit of money. So it's best to stay away from that completely and use your own original designs. I've seen different beginner stores get shut down because they're just selling other people's designs, and that isn't legal. There's also theft as well, as someone went through the process of creating that design. The fourth tip is going to be to sell more than t-shirts. With a print-on-demand store, you can essentially sell almost any product, and the larger print-on-demand providers such as Printly give you almost any product to design on here. We head over to their product templates. You can see different types of clothing, so sweaters, your hoodies, your t-shirts, so the basic stuff here. We can also do things such as hats, accessories, home and living, different collections. We dive into the accessories. You get things such as phone cases, patches, earphone cases, hair accessories, shoes, face masks, jewelry, tech accessories, keychain, flip-flop. You can really make some of your designs do well on different product categories unless you reuse those same designs, especially if they're selling well. The fifth and final tip here is going to be always be testing. Mentioned with print-on-demand stores, you're not going to carry any inventory, so you can always test new designs, which is going to be crucial for you to creating a brand around print-on-demand. As you're always testing new designs, you can come up with new ones all the time, cater to different audiences, or double down on a particular niche. And really your only cost here is the cost of design. If you're designing yourself, cost is essentially going to be free there apart from your time. So make sure you're always testing new designs, going out there, finding new inspiration. You see the same thing with a lot of fast fashion stores. They're always going out, getting the latest designs and bringing it into their stores. Not selling the same thing over and over again, as they always want to be up to date. With your print-on-demand store, you can keep your old successful designs, but you can always look for new ones here that are going to generate you even more revenue. This is going to conclude the video on Shopify print-on-demand tip. Went over 5 tips today. The first one being to use lifestyle images. The second one is to limit the number of variants that your store offers. Number 3 was avoiding legal issues such as copyrighted material and trademark. The fourth one is going to be sell more than just t-shirts. And the fifth and final one is going to be always be testing. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Lastly, I want to mention Profit Calc one more time. It's the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. There's a link in the description below to access a 15-day free trial, so make sure you check that out. So this is going to end the video here. Again, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next one.